So, is Irish Gold egg yolk extract a good cream or not? We are going to be finding out from today's video. I have used this cream for over 2 years now, not consistently, but the first time I used this cream was like 2 years ago, and I have been using this cream. Like, this cream is usually my go-to when I run out of ideas of a particular cream to use. Maybe I want to change current cream I'm using, like I go for this to use it while I get another cream I use. So I have used this cream bottles upon bottles. I have used the egg yolk, this particular Irish Gold. I have used the egg yolk, I have used the carrots, I have used the fade milk. So I am totally qualified to tell you everything you need to know about this particular cream, because I've recommended it to people and a lot of people has also asked me questions. I've encountered people that had some issues, some reactions from using this Irish Gold, and I have given them solutions that actually worked for them, and I'm going to be sharing everything with you in this particular video, how to use it for whatever results you are looking for in your body. So let's get right into it. If you are planning to buy this cream, Irish Gold, either the egg yolk, the carrot, or the fade milk, these are the three I can speak for because these are the three I have used. If you are planning to buy it, if you're already using it, for whatever reason you clicked on this video to watch it, I have one special advice for you from my own personal experience. Okay, and that advice is, do not use this cream alone. Do not use this cream morning and night. And depending on the results you want, do not use this cream with a lightening soap, like a soap that is overly going to lighten your skin, because this cream is a lightening cream. I am going to be honest with you because this is an honest review of this cream. Irish Gold is a nice product, okay, it's a nice product, but depending how you use it, you might run into some skin reactions, like getting overly fair, if that's what you want. Like, I know a lot of people really want to brighten their skin like day and night, then this cream is for you. It is not going to give you that sharp results because it is not like a core bleaching cream. Okay, it's going to lighten you up because it contains some lightening ingredients, which is the egg yolk. It contains allantoin and all those things. These things lighten your skin gradually. They are not things that you're going to, like, maybe you rub it today and then you wake up tomorrow morning you are shining yellow. Run away from products like that. Any product that promises to lighten you up in like sharp like this, run away from it. Save your skin that stress. Okay, so this cream is a lightening cream, but it is not a bleaching cream. Those are two different things. Okay, from my experience, it's not going to give you knuckles. If you actually use it the way I'm going to tell you in this video, you're not going to encounter any issues with this particular product. So now, the first way I would advise for you to use this cream is not to use it morning and night, because if you use it morning and night, it's going to overly lighten you over a long period of time. Okay, so this cream should be used once a day, and if you are already a fair person, okay, I would advise you to use this cream only 3 to 4 times in a week. All right, so let's say you are fair and you just need that cream that is going to just brighten you up a little. This cream is going to do it for you, but when you get it, do not use it alone. Get a moisturizer, a normal moisturizer, okay, that doesn't contain any lightening ingredients in it. Okay, so if you want recommendations of moisturizers you can pair with this, you ask me in the comment section. I am going to recommend moisturizers for you according to your skin complexion, because I can't just give a random recommendation. I do not know your complexion, I don't know who is watching. So ask me and tell me your complexion, and I'm going to recommend a moisturizer that you can pair with this particular cream. Okay, and a general advice while using a lightening product, whether this one or any other one, any lightening cream you are using, do not use it every day. Do you get? Don't use your lightening cream every day. Use it sparingly, 3, 4, 2 times in a week. All right, so you give your skin some space. Over time you're going to see the benefit of these things. All right, so I'm going to be talking more on this particular thing as we go on this channel, but basically, do not use this cream every day. Do not use it morning and night. Even if you have been using it every day, after watching this video, try to get a moisturizer, any cheap moisturizer, or just ask me and give me your budget. I'm going to, recommend an affordable moisturizer for you to pair with this. And secondly, do not use it with a soap that is overly brightening. Okay, so you do not run into the risk of having green veins. Having a fair skin, for those that really fancy it, is nice, is beautiful, but having a fair skin filled with green veins, white patches, red lines and all those things is not attractive, you get. So anytime you're using a lightening cream or this thing, make sure you actually know what you are using on your skin and on your body. So if you're using this cream, use a mild lightening soap with it. If possible, use a normal soap. Okay, also ask me in the comment section. I'm going to recommend soaps for you to use with this particular soap. So basically, I would say this is a good lightening cream for you to use on your skin. Okay, I have not encountered any bad reactions like eczema and all those things. The only thing I experienced with this particular one is that it's going to overly lighten you. And for the carrot one, that one also lightens more than this one, because when I used the carrot version of this Irish Gold, it lightened me up in a week. This will not lighten you up in a week, but the carrot version will lighten you up in a week. And then if you want a milder one, the one I will recommend for a dark brown skin person, if you are looking to use Irish Gold, if you are dark skin, brown skin, like deep brown skin, I would not advise you to use either this egg yolk or the carrot unless you want to lighten your skin. I would advise you to go for the fade milk. The fade milk is for, you know, darker people that want to maintain their color and I want to like brighten up their color a little bit. But this is for either fair people or for dark people that want to get, you know, fairer. So I hope that makes sense. So that is just basically all I have to say about this cream. If you have more questions, don't leave them in the comment section and I am going to respond to you. All right, so thank you for watching today's one. If you like this video, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, share it to anyone you feel will need it, and subscribe to this channel if you have not. All right, so you will not miss any of our upcoming videos about skincare, wellness and beauty. All right, remember to always smile because it's never out of fashion. See you in our next one.